hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my jewelry haul, my not haul actually collection, you can say my jewelry collection. भी jewelry है उनको मैंने personally use किया है and they are still in good quality. I mean they are in good quality as well as they are affordable. Yes, if you are interested then keep on watching, and before starting the video do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's jump into our today's video. Let me tell you, I love wearing jewelry. First I'm going to start with my earrings. I'm going to start with very basic earrings. So here I have these earrings. This is hoops. So I bought this from Shein, but आपको same hoops आपको Amazon and Nykaa Fashion पे मिल जाएंगे. I bought this set actually Shein से, but ये same set मैंने देखा था Nykaa Fashion पे, so you can go and buy it. I will share the link in description box below. So and yes, Nykaa Fashion they have that is for 550 or something, and I have tried their one traditional jewelry and it is really good. उनका मैंने एक neck piece लिया था. I don't have it right now because that is in Mumbai. It's really good quality and उसमें affordable भी है. So these are not just plain hoops. It has this texture and थोड़ा सा thick है, so it looks really good. I wear this every single day. I mean कुछ भी पहनो, whether you are wearing the dress or just simple dressing, I mean just simple trousers and t-shirt or whatever you wanna wear, this is the perfect hoops I feel, and every girl should have this medium to large hoops I feel, because you can style hoops in every single dressing. So I have this one which I have bought it from Bandra, and this one and Bandra से भी लिया है मैंने 50 rupees का, is still in good condition. And Amazon की jewelry I have their neck pieces, so it's good, trust me. Earrings ये बीच में बहुत ही trendy था and even I wanted to try. It looks really good when you wear it. Earrings I have bought it from Amazon and जब इसको मैंने लिए हुए 3 या 4 महीने हो गए, but it's still intact. इसका कलर फेड नहीं हुआ है and इसकी क्वालिटी भी इज़ वेरी गुड. इट्स नॉट इवन दैट एक्सपेंसिव. इट इज़ ओनली फॉर आई गेस 250 रुपीज़. इसमें मेरे पास ये राउंड शेप में है ईयरिंग्स बिकॉज मुझे बहुत पसंद आए थे तो ये लिया था. And again it's not just plain, as you can see it has this texture, so it looks really good. It gives you very party vibe. And then I have this shell ka not hoops but earrings which I bought it from Albanic, and oh my god Albanic की quality, मैंने last video में भी when I did my Albanic haul I said this quality is super duper amazing. I mean no doubt अभी मैंने इसको लिए हुए 2 महीने हुए हैं and it's still not, I mean it's still in good condition. इसका कलर फेड नहीं हुआ है, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. Has come up with lots of jewelry collection. Like yesterday only I was exploring the app and I was like oh my god they have this Christmas के लिए भी earrings and all that. If you really want good jewelry in affordable range then I must say you go and check Albanic. And then I have this pearl का hoops. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था ये शीन से लिया था बट ये इसके सेट के साथ ही आया था. ये I got this set 6 earrings का था. Same set you will get on Nykaa, and Nykaa की jewelry as I said it's good, so go ahead and buy it. everstylish.com, उनसे मैंने ऐसी रैंडम ज्वेलरी ऑर्डर की थी देखने के लिए कि कैसे है. सो दे हैव गिवन दिस गुड इयरिंग्स. ये केटल का इयरिंग्स, आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई लाइक्ड इट. आई मीन ये इसे 3 लेयर में था, मैंने इसको कट किया बिकॉज इट वॉज नॉट लुकिंग दैट ग्रेट, बट ये बहुत ही अच्छा दिखता है. सो आई जस्ट took this off. ऐसे 3 लेयर में केटल्स थे and I think I got this for 150 or something, I'm not sure, but even they have trendy collection and उनकी quality भी is not that bad. These earrings I have bought from them. I don't know, मुझे बहुत ही unique लगे इस पीस को क्यों लिया, because I just felt like ये बहुत unique है and I mean I just took it. I really like the design and color and I think it's looking pretty good as you can see. The same website I have ordered this dream catcher का earring from them. Again good quality, इसका कलर अब तक फेड नहीं हुआ है and again it's affordable, so I will really recommend you this. This tiny little traditional wear jewelry you can say, not झुमका properly but ऐसे traditional wear का. Again it's really good quality. So that's all for my earrings. And let's talk about my neck pieces. The first piece from Urbanic app. This was only for 99 rupees. एंड मुझे लगा कि 99 रुपीज़ का आएगा तो इतना अच्छा नहीं है, बट वेन आई रिसीव्ड इट, ओ माई गॉड, क्वालिटी इज सो गुड. एंड अगेन इसका कलर नहीं उतरा है, सेम इस गोल्डन का गोल्डन ही है. एंड इट लुक्स सो गुड. आई मीन लेयरिंग अब जब करते हो ना, इट लुक्स गुड. लुक एट दिस. आई मीन इट्स just give you a very good vibe. I can. Next one is this I bought it from Amazon. ये सेम मैंने पीस देखा था नायका पे एंड आई रियली लाइक इट, बट नायका पे 490 का था, विच इज़ ओके, नॉट दैट एक्सपेंसिव. बट सेम पीस मैंने अमेजोन पे देखा. आई थिंक दिस वॉज ओनली फॉर 250 रुपीज़ और 200 रुपीज़. तो मैंने बोला ओके लेट्स ट्राई किसका अच्छा आता है. सो या अमेजोन का भी इतना मतलब just good. I really like this layering वाला necklace. I don't know why. I'm just obsessed with them. You can say it's so thick. मुझे लगा था कि ऐसे पतला सा आएगा, but no. When I received it, I was so happy. And why I bought this? Because of this lock. I don't know. मुझे ये लॉक ने बहुत अट्रैक्ट किया इसमें. I mean Amazon पे भी बहुत ट्रेंडी कलेक्शन है. मस्ट से कि इवन Amazon is coming up with new ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन, स्पेशली वेस्टर्न कलेक्शन. उनके पास इंडियन कलेक्शन तो है ही, नो डाउट, बट वेस्टर्न कलेक्शन इतना नहीं था पहले. तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा वेस्टर्न कलेक्शन उनके पास आया है. So yeah, do not forget to check them out. So next piece again is from Amazon. I think this is for 190 or 200 rupees. I will mention the price on screen. So बहुत ही अच्छा quality है and I really wanted to try jewelry from Amazon. So that's why this was my first piece from Amazon. Then I bought this one. So ये मैंने पहले ऑर्डर किया था and then मैंने ये ऑर्डर किया because इसका क्वालिटी मुझे अच्छा लगा. तो I just thought okay ये भी ऑर्डर कर लेती हूँ, अच्छा ही होगा, no doubt. So I love it. इस 3 लेयर नेकलेस, ये मुझे बहुत ही सिंपल एंड व्हाट वी से बहुत ही ऐसे एलिगेंट लगा. मतलब इतना सिंपल है कि ऐसे छोटे छोटे ऐसे पर्ल से यहाँ पे मोती दिए हैं एंड इट लुक्स रियली गुड व्हेन यू वेयर इट. मतलब इसको तो आप ऐसे पार्टी के लिए स्टाइल कर सकते हो, डे टू डे बेसिस पे पहन सकते हो. You can style this piece in every single outfit I feel. So yes, and for my Indian jewelry, I prefer Nykaa fashion app, Amazon and Myntra. So yeah guys, that's all for my today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And yeah, see you all in my next video. Next आपको मेरा कौन सा collection देखना है, please let me know on which topic you want me to make video. Thank you guys, bye bye, see you all in my next video.